Suicidal tendencies that creep up in my coffin. I don't wanna do no talking. Can't you see the reaper? He go crazy, he go dumb. I'm gonna let my chopper drown.
Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will show you the updated tutorial on how to install NVIDIA drivers on Fedora 37. It is a bit easier than Fedora 36 because some steps have been automated. First of all, go into GNOME software, search for NVIDIA. You need to install NVIDIA Linux graphics driver and NVIDIA its server settings. Be careful to pick the version 520 for both of the applications, because the version 500 onwards will work on Wayland, version 400 will only work on Erzeuger. After you install it, reboot the system. Then you need to install via terminal the NVIDIA CUDA. In this way, the CUDA cores will be enabled. They are a very important component in NVIDIA graphics driver because they will allow you to use NVENC acceleration hardware encoding both for H.264 and H.265. It will be useful in applications such as video editing software or OBS Studio to record the screen, also in video games. Let's install it. x86_64 installed. Now reboot again. After that, in the terminal, you can type the command NVIDIA SMI. If you get this screen, it means that the NVIDIA driver is working. Otherwise, if it tells you a little line of text like NVIDIA isn't enabled, NVIDIA doesn't work, cannot find the driver, cannot find hardware device, it means that the kernel update broke the NVIDIA driver again. Sometimes this will happen, so you simply need to wait for the newer kernel version with the newer driver that will fix things again. If you use NVIDIA on Linux, this is a common problem, but I found out that Fedora gives you the kernel fixes sooner than Ubuntu. This is the reason why I am currently switched to Fedora. See you later, guys.